Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You will start by creating the Android project and installing libraries. Open Android Studio and create a new empty activity. Once done, add the scanning and generation dependencies, MLKit or ZXing for scans, and a simple QR generator library, then sync Gradle. Make sure to declare camera and write external storage permissions in the Android manifest and request them at runtime. You should also prepare a simple UI layout with a preview view for camera and a text input plus button for generation. This gets you ready to implement core logic. You will implement Camera X, bind preview and image analysis to the lifecycle, and set a proper resolution. This gives stable frames. Next, pass each frame to MLKit's barcode scanner or ZXing on a background thread and parse the QR payload. Do not block the UI thread. Once a code is detected, debounce duplicates and update the UI on the main thread. Make sure to translate coordinates if you overlay boxes, and handle permission denial gracefully so the scanner fails softly and instructs the user what to enable. You will build the generator. Convert user text into a QR bitmap using your chosen encoder, choosing a size and error correction level that balances density and readability. Once generated, show the image in an image view and offer save or share via Media Store or a share intent so other apps can use it. Finally, test scanning and generation across different lighting and camera devices, then add clear error messages and a fallback manual input path. This prevents hard failures when camera or decoding misbehaves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.